Seems that after I press the bar, it seems much better now. Clean the rails pretty good. Might have to straighten up. Yep. A little crooked, but I can fix this. Anyhow, the critical problem is solved. I checked the spinach. I don't know if it's correct to say that. Spins free, even with air pressure. It spins to like, I don't know, 20,000 RPM. It's just fine. So that's for the guide bar. This little poor little bastard. And I'm gonna check the surface of the rails on the diamond tool right there, and just put it back on. See you on the next one. Take care.